In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document directly to email in Microsoft Word. Sharing documents through email is something many of us do every day, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. The good news is that Microsoft Word makes this process quick and convenient by allowing you to send your document without ever leaving the program. This can save you time and keep everything organized in one place. To get started, open the document you want to send. Once your file is ready, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There, you will find the Share option. Click on it, and a small window will appear on your screen with different sharing choices. Within this window, look toward the lower section where you'll see options for how you want to send your file. You can choose to attach your document as either a Word file or a PDF. While both options work well, sending it as a Word document is often more flexible, especially if the recipient needs to make edits. Go ahead and select that option. After selecting your preferred format, another window will appear that looks similar to an email message. Here, you can choose the email account you want to send the document from, if multiple accounts are available. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the appropriate field, or select a contact if it's already saved. Once that's done, move on to the subject line and type a clear and relevant title for your email. You'll notice that your document is already attached automatically, which saves you the extra step of adding it manually. Below that, you can write your message to provide context or instructions for the person receiving the file. Take a moment to review everything to make sure the details are correct. When you're satisfied and ready to send your document, simply click the Send button. Your email will be delivered along with the attached file, all without needing to switch applications. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.